Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. What's my favourite colour EP3? It is, of course, a Cosmic Grey EP3. Last time we seen this one, it had a few less mods, so it's our mandate today to get it dialed in and see what power we make. So here we go. We'll do a run as she is, and yeah, and go from there. Here we go. Cosmic Grey Oh yeah.
Second time we've seen this, ain't it, to be fair?
That's right.
Made a few changes to hardware. Nothing massive to write home about, but just a few little changes to hardware. Just basically back for a map tweaking to make sure everything's okay.
And it is.
Asked us to revise the launch control flames for him because we've done a little bit with that, so obviously sorted that out.
That's my new favourite bit, by the way.
Yeah. Done some more, just tuned it basically. In and around the same power.
Yeah.
Gained in a couple of places, lost in others, sort of, so to speak. You know what I mean?
But it's there.
But generally, mapped up nice, tuned nice, really nice graph, nice linear graph. So
lovely. Well done, Richard.
I'm sure he'll be happy with that.
I'm happy with it. You're happy with it.
Well,
He'll be happy with it. We've just had a customer pop in from down south, the depths of down south. And when he came up to see us to have his car mapped, he stayed in a little spot, hotel spot that had a fishing lake. And he's just popped in to say hello again because he liked it so much. He's come here on holiday to Nuneaton.
I could definitely think of better places to be on holiday than Nuneaton.
Yep.
Yeah.
Well, I'm paid to be here, don't want to be here. So there we go. But it's nice that Dynodaze is doing a little bit for the community there and helping the local economy.
Yeah, helping the local economy, yeah.
Let's look at this graph.
Let's have a look at that graph.
As Richard said, a beautiful linear graph. Very nice indeed. And pretty much nothing much to write home about. We've still got the same, pretty much the same power as last time. Maybe a little bit more wheel horsepower. 228 final figure. 190 at the wheels. Oh, I just love Cosmic Grey. What a great looking car these are. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. If you want a Skunk2 Ultra Series Inlet Manifold, we've got them on the website, so give us a shout. But any modifications you need for your Honda Civic Ep3, we're here for you. Give us a shout. If you're old school, pick up the phone. We'd love to hear from you. Or pop down any time, especially on a Saturday. The last Saturday of the month is a Honda meet, so do come and see us. But thanks again. We appreciate the support on YouTube. You know we love yous, and we'll see you soon.
And I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.